My origin story really started with a leveling exercise. I was at a point in my career where I was managing as many as 20 projects at one point, and of course scrambling and firefighting to do the work that needed to be done. And I met with a coach who said to me, well, let's put everything down in a Gantt chart and see where everything is. And we found a particularly congested week, and he asked me straight up, how successful do you think that week is going to be? And I told him honestly that I thought it would be really rough, and probably there would be failure in there. And I guess I'd always thought that you could just find ways to move things back if the owner granted you that grace. But he said, well, what about doing things early? And that's where it clicked for me. And so to me, it's really been about the leveling of the load and the idea that within construction, we focus on the network of commitments. That's part of the legacy from Sutter Health, is the idea of seeing projects as networks of commitments, that we need to have reliable exchange of information. And that, for me, has also been a really important part of my own development. And I find that if I have a system that works for me and I optimize the system so that I can be reliable, I found that all the stress that I used to have about meeting deadlines just fades away. And so that's probably been the most important piece. And then I've enjoyed bringing a number of the tools home, like Choosing by Advantages or some of the other sort of analytical pieces to help in our family life to decide whether we should move somewhere or not, or to take a job or not. And having that bit of science to back up what would often be an intuition or kind of gut-based decision has been really impactful for us.